Yes, we are here at the Town of Technology at IMTEX 2025. And as you can see, Jyoti has exhibited a range of technologically advanced machines. And when we say technology, Town of Technology, we are talking of being future ready. In this jungle of machines, Jyoti stands out with technology, precision, and productivity. So I would like to say that we have a great opportunity to ensure that we are future ready for our business needs. And Jyoti is at the forefront of this transformation, and we are looking forward how we can enhance value proposition, value enhancement for all our customers. And coming into the future, going into the future, technology is going to be the driver for growth for all industries. And that is why Jyoti will has here the presence of high precision, high speed, very sophisticated, high-end technological machines have been displayed. And this is where Jyoti is focusing to ensure that we have the best possible solutions for all the industry needs. We are ensuring that we are relevant for the future, and we keep on updating our product basket at a regular interval. And we look forward to serving all our customers as per their needs. When we say needs, we are talking of solutions. And we are here to offer total solutions to the customer rather than just selling machines. And precision, productivity is going to be very, very important to ensure that you are competitive in business. And we know the world has become a small place. And to be competitive, you need to adapt technology. So our theme line of being in this jungle of machines, standing out as a technological partner who can provide total solutions for the customers and to ensure that they have the best solution to ensure their growth year on year. So with that, I would say that you need to own the future, you need to be present ready, and you need to ensure that you are competitive in today's dynamic business landscape. And this is where Jyoti becomes your most preferred partner, as total solutions are available under one roof. So looking forward to serving you and ensuring that we give the best possible solutions to all our customers. Thank you.